Are you ready to experience a flavor revolution like never before? Get ready to be blown away as we introduce you to the miracle trio: turmeric, black pepper, and olive oil. Have you ever wondered what happens when these three powerful ingredients come together? Brace yourself for a taste sensation that will elevate your cooking to new heights and leave you craving more. Let's get started. Turmeric, a beneficial medicinal herb and spice, can provide numerous health advantages when combined with certain ingredients. To maximize its benefits, our recommended recipe incorporates an additional herb alongside turmeric. The combination consists of black pepper and olive oil. While turmeric is not easily absorbed in the intestines, this issue can be easily addressed. Research indicates that the presence of piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Furthermore, adding a teaspoon of olive oil to the mixture further improves absorption. The outcome is a remarkable, all-natural mixture that is simple to prepare. Before delving into its benefits, let's first explore the preparation method. The mixture can be added to warm milk or combined with yogurt. For optimal health benefits, heating and blending it with yogurt is recommended. It can also be incorporated into salads or soups, provided that the mixture is added a few minutes before the cooking process is complete. Since turmeric is moderately sensitive to heat, lengthy boiling is unnecessary. The recommended ratios for the mixture are as follows: 2 teaspoons of turmeric, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. The ideal daily dosage of turmeric is 1 to 2 grams, equivalent to a full teaspoon. If you find the taste unfavorable, turmeric capsules from a pharmacy can be used as an alternative. Feel free to use this mixture as frequently as desired to enjoy its wonderful health benefits consistently. Here are health benefits of this wonderful compound. Prevents inflammation. For those suffering from chronic inflammation and pain, this remedy provides an ideal solution. Chronic inflammation accelerates the aging process, but inhibiting inflammation promotes natural tissue healing and restores organ functionality, effectively slowing down aging. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. Users have reported significant reduction in rheumatic pain after using turmeric. Prevents Alzheimer's and dementia. The blood-brain barrier shields most blood vessels in the brain, allowing only select substances to pass through. Curcumin, present in turmeric, can permeate this barrier and contribute to various brain functions. Turmeric increases the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein synthesized within nerve cells. BDNF plays a crucial role in constructing and maintaining brain circuits, facilitating the transmission of brain signals. Additionally, curcumin disrupts the accumulation of amyloid plaques, harmful protein clusters associated with Alzheimer's disease. Fights cancer. Extensive research has demonstrated the beneficial effects of turmeric as an herb in cancer treatment. It has been found to impede the growth of cancer cells. Curcumin combats cancer by inhibiting the formation of new blood vessels that could potentially nourish the tumor. Moreover, curcumin supports and enhances the effectiveness of chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Dr. William LaVallee's research indicates that curcumin selectively targets cancerous cells without affecting healthy cells. It first reduces inflammation in the body, then hinders protein synthesis that may contribute to tumor formation, ultimately eliminating diseased cancer cells. Importantly, curcumin also acts as a preventive measure, inhibiting the transformation of tumors into cancer. Enhances cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that turmeric has the ability to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, prevent blood coagulation, and reduce the risk of blood clots. The active compound, curcumin, found in turmeric, aids in clearing arterial plaques. Research conducted at Niigata University of Pharmacy and Applied Life Sciences in 2011 demonstrated improved heart health in male rats that consumed turmeric for 3 weeks. Curcumin's plaque-clearing properties position it as a leading inhibitor against sudden heart attacks. Accelerates metabolism. The active ingredient piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin from turmeric by up to 2000%. This may result in a boosted metabolic rate. Black pepper also facilitates the absorption of essential vitamins like B and C. When turmeric is combined with black pepper, it can increase the rate of fat burning. If weight loss is your goal, consider consuming this mixture half an hour before breakfast. Supports liver health. Curcumin stimulates bile production in the gallbladder and aids in its efficient emptying. Additionally, it safeguards the liver against toxins and promotes the regeneration of liver cells. Curcumin is also utilized to protect against fatty liver disease. Alleviates depression symptoms. Some research suggests that curcumin can increase dopamine and serotonin levels in the brain, similar to the effects of antidepressant medications. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, reduces stress, supports the immune system, and exhibits beneficial properties on the central nervous system. Helps prevent type 2 diabetes. Turmeric offers protection against conditions such as insulin resistance and hyperglycemia, reducing the risk of developing diabetes when consumed regularly. If you experience sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, incorporating this mixture into your diet while using diabetes medication may be beneficial. However, it is important to inform your doctor about your usage of this mixture. After exploring the advantages of turmeric, it is important to address certain safety considerations. If you have kidney stones or bile duct obstruction, it is necessary to restrict your consumption of turmeric. Excessive intake of turmeric raises the risk of developing kidney stones since it contains a significant amount of oxalate, which can contribute to the formation of calcium oxalate kidney stones. Pregnant women are advised against using turmeric as it increases the risk of miscarriage. Additionally, it may elevate stomach acid levels in some individuals. Furthermore, it is crucial to consider the impact of turmeric on blood coagulation. If you are taking anticoagulant medication, it is essential to consult your doctor before using turmeric. In the case of undergoing surgery, it is advisable to discontinue turmeric intake 2 weeks prior to the operation. As we come to the end of this culinary journey, we hope you've been inspired to embrace the magic of the miracle trio: turmeric, black pepper, and olive oil. From the tantalizing flavors to the aromatic aromas, these 3 ingredients have shown us that true culinary miracles can happen in the simplest of combinations. We encourage you to take what you've learned today and unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Experiment, explore, and let your taste buds guide you on a never-ending quest for extraordinary flavors. Remember, the power of turmeric, black pepper, and olive oil is at your fingertips. So go forth, embrace the culinary magic, and create your own masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on this incredible flavor-filled adventure, and until next time, keep cooking and savoring the wonders of the miracle trio.